What is up, guys? 2024 season. We're back. DVS Fishing Adventures. You know what it is. If you guys aren't already subscribed, go down, click that subscribe button. We got an epic year this year. We got a lot of content that's going to be coming out. And even a special incoming, I might be making a YouTube channel for my work. So, Custom Weld Boats, Riverview Marina. I'm going to try to blow up their media, try to blow up their whole social side of things, and try to get a lot more just publicity. So, yeah, so follow me along, guys. Not 100% sure if that's all going to happen yet, but we're pushing for it. So, should be a fun year. Looks like we got a lot in store for us. Probably boat wraps to different fishing techniques, guide videos, tips and tricks, all that stuff. So we're going to break it down, and I'm going to really try to bring you guys a lot of content, a lot of videos. I am paying for an editor and everything now as well. I'm editing the videos, but I'm paying for an editing company. So, yeah, gotta try to put out some good content for you guys. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, I am on the Sexy Vexy at the moment, Bryan's Blue Vexus. This year it's looking like Bryan's actually going to be moving away, which kind of sucks, but he's still going to he's told me he's still going to make the trips up here to fish the tournaments with me. I'm not sure if he'll make it to every single one of them, and I highly doubt that, being he's going to live about 5 hours away. So it's going to be a little bit harder. So in turn of that, I decided to go ahead and buy his other boat that's sitting over there. It's kind of dark over there, so you're not really going to be able to see it super well. But anyways, I'll show you it more after I get it out, get it all cleaned up, and get it wrapped. So I'll show you before wrap and after wrap and all that good stuff, so don't be worried on that. But it's going to be fun. But today, we're going to head out on the river and just make sure this guy, the Sexy Vexy, is ready to go. The Blue Vexy. It's honestly pretty cleaned up right now. We cleaned it all up. It always stays inside. It always gets good treatment. It always gets oil changes. And she stays pretty. She does. So anyways, the only really new improvement this year was I did underglow lights. So we have lights now on the deck. They go all the way around. You can't see them because I like making stuff look clean when I do installs on anything. We do have one wire that comes up through here that goes to a front rigid light that's on the front there. You can see the rigid sticker that I got right there on there. But anyways, and we are running the Lowrance Active Target 2 with the HDS Live. So that is a sweet combo, and I will be doing something similar on the Champion. It's going to be a little fancier, but it's going to be something similar, and that way, if Bryan's not able to pull the Vexus up for a tournament, we will take the Champion out, and we will, we'll do fishing on that thing. So you guys have seen it before in older videos, so you kind of know what it looks like a little bit, but it's gonna look different this year with a wrap job and cleaned up. So I already have started to do some upgrades on it, and I will probably go through those, but I'm keeping some of it secret. So it'll all get a big unveiling shortly. Anyways, so yeah. Also, you guys are listening to me on this new DJI mic. So you guys could probably see it on my chest here. Went ahead and jumped and bought some Bluetooth microphones, so it was a little easier to film and get better audio. So got that going for us. Also got a drone, so we're going to be doing some drone footage as well. But should be good. Should be good. Just like that. Can't forget the beverages. I at least got to bring one, right? Good to go. Can't forget the AFCO gloves. And these Helm gloves from AFCO. I'm not even sponsored by AFCO, but these things are wicked. If you don't have yourself a pair, go get yourself a pair and you'll know what I'm talking about. I just bought a pair this year and I've been more than jacked about them. So definitely do yourself a favor and get yourself a pair. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much it. Good to go. Boat is ready. Ready as she'll ever be. Got the net this time. Last time we were out, we forgot the net. So yeah, good to go. Alright, we're back. Bryan brought the Dougals down. He's over here cleaning snowboards. Selling snowboards.
I was gonna say, it's just because I'm gonna sell
Cleaning it up and selling it. So I guess after that, we're gonna leave. He did what I told him though. He brought his beverage of choice. Ready to go. Got all the goodies set up. I did set up one more rod, a drop shot. So I got that set up now and in the boat. And we're good to go. Pick up the old dog, because she can't jump very well. Whoa. Yep. Get it. It's always situational everything. Golden. Right? For sure. Grab the old dock skis. There goes Bryan. Alright guys, we're ripping. Out of the marina we go. The battery.
Huh?
Yeah, I would have had to put the bigger battery on.
Yeah, and your GoPro's down too.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, Brock Purdy, no. Brock Purdy, what?
I'm gonna have a bunch of good footage though.
Right.
Just no fishing.
I mean, there's fishing, there's no catching.
I don't really, like the only camera I filmed was that one, and yeah. Alright guys, we made it back in. Everything on the boat checks out. The old Merc is running strong. Running great, so. Everything works, everything seems to be in order, so Bryan's getting the truck back down. I'll load her up and get on our way home. I get to editing this thing.